Hello students, welcome to English class. I am your English teacher. Respected viewers, kindly subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and do not forget to like the video. Students, from the last few lectures we have been learning lesson 2.3 of All Magazine for your class. In the last lecture we have studied the class teacher of 6A has made 4 groups of 4 different issues, and each group contained editor, sub-editor, writer and many more. Apart from the editorial team, more groups were made to run columns like Science Corner, jokes, poems, etc. In the last lecture we have go through some jokes corner. Now let's go forward. Why do water tin sheets become hot in the sun but not in a tree? Water and tin sheets are non-living. When they receive heat, they get heated according to their properties and may even change the state in which they are. Water turns into vapor and even tin sheets melt at very high temperature. They do not make any attempts to cool themselves. But you know that bodies of living things carry out different processes that help them to survive or to adapt to their surroundings. Plants carry out a process called transpiration. In this process, water is absorbed by the roots and is sent up through the stem up to the leaves. On the underside of leaves there are pores or holes called stomata. Plants use up some of the water they absorb and the rest is given out through these stomata. This process helps plants to cool themselves. This article is from Science Corner. From this article we get the information about transpiration process of plants and its importance. Humans also use a similar process to cool themselves. Can you guess what it is? Yes, sweating. Also, you know that big trees have trunks. The trunks consist of wood. Wood is not good conductor of heat. You may relate this information with what is given in your science textbook. Responsiveness to stimuli, heat, state of matter, etc. Some questions for the next issue. Why do the sun and moon change their size? How can we see many channels on the same TV set? Why do we see one image when we have 2 eyes? Through this we understand that humans use sweating process to cool themselves. Also, this article is related with the science textbook of standard 6. Then there are some more questions have been mentioned here for the next article. I am confused. Please help. My best friend is ignoring me this year. I feel angry and unhappy about it, but I still think of her as my best friend. Why is she doing this to me? I am confused. Please help. Expert advice from senior friends. Don't we all feel this sometime or other? Don't worry. Let's see what we can do. First, please think about it without getting upset. Is she really ignoring you? What are the things that you used to do together but don't do anymore? For example, sitting on the same bench, having your tiffin together, coming to school or going back to home together, and so on. If you still do most of the things together, you may be wrong in thinking that she is ignoring you. You can talk to her about it. Find out if you have hurt her in some way, if there is a misunderstanding, and that is why she is not as warm towards you as she was before. If That is so, you can simply say sorry and she will immediately be friends with you again. Has she made new friends? Is that what is making you feel a little jealous and sad? Well, you can always be friend with her new friends. Your friend may appreciate it. If your last year's best friend has really started ignoring you without any reason, do not keep brooding about it. You can make friends with others. Maybe after a few days your old friend will also be close to you once again. What could be some other problems for the next issue? So students, through the expert advice from the senior students, you can get an idea about how to solve some problems in friendship. So students, this is a short and sweet poem about roses. Let's see. A little rose tree. Every rose on the little tree is making a different face at me. Some look surprised when I pass by and others droop, but they are shy. These two, whose head together press, tell secret I could never guess. Some have their heads thrown back to sing, and all the birds are listening. I wonder if the gardener knows, or if he call each just a rose. Written by Rachel Field. Lyrics. Some funny lyrics. Did you ever see a horsefly? A horsefly, a horsefly. Did you ever see a horsefly? A horsefly, fly, fly. Did you ever see a pen stand? A pen stand, a pen stand. Did you ever see a pen stand? A pen stand, stand, stand. You can use these funny phrases in place of horsefly or pen stand. Enjoy the puns. Different meanings like shoelace, hairpin, toothpick, eye drop, necktie, eyelash, yardstick, eardrum. One bright day, a hand clapping rhyme. One bright day, the middle of the night, two dead soldiers got up to fight. Back to back they faced each other, drew their sword and shot each other. The deaf policeman heard the noise and ran to save the two dead boys. If you don't believe this lie is true, ask the blind man, he saw it too. So students, this is your homework. Read the lesson aloud and collect some scientific information about any science topic. Thank you for watching this audio-visual presentation.